Right now, you came across this problem while you were trying to download some really cool apps. Hello guys, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this app isn't available in your country, or the items you've requested are not currently available in your country. You really want to download this app because this is super frustrating. That's why guys, I have a solution for you here. So please follow along with me guys, and let's dive right into the video. Now let's head into the App Store, and once you're in the App Store, at the top right you're going to click on your profile icon. Now you need to tap on your name, and the top, very top, you can see your name. Please tap on your name. Before doing that, you will need to sign in your iCloud or your Apple ID. You need to put your password, or you'll need to use your fingerprint. Now you can see right under Manage Payments, you can see country and region right here. Now please tap on that country and region. Please don't forget, changing your country and region will cancel any automatically renewing subscriptions. Alright? Now please tab change country or region, and I'm going to choose United States right here. You can choose obviously which country you want. Now tab on which country you want, and please agree with the terms. Tab on agree. Apple Media Service Terms and Conditions, please tab on agree. As I said before, it will require you to re-enter your payment information. You can enter either PayPal or credit debit card information. Or you can choose none. And right here you need to enter street, city, state, zip and phone. You can search on Google different random address generators. Then once you've entered all of that, all you need to do is to tap on next. Once you hit next, this will change your country to United States, and that's it. Now simply whatever country you chose. Now guys, you should be able to install that app that you wanted, but before doing so, don't forget to leave the App Store and restart your phone, or just exit the app and then open the App Store again, and then look for the app that you want. So that's it guys, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.